Why is it that humans, the most complex creatures on the planet, continue to baffle and intrigue us with their behavior? To answer this, we'll delve into the fascinating world of human psychology, revealing 20 of the most amazing facts. Number 20. Humans can only maintain a stable relationship with around 150 people at a time. This phenomenon, known as Dunbar's number, suggests that our brains can only handle so much social interaction. Coming in at number 19, the placebo effect. This psychological phenomenon occurs when a person believes they are receiving treatment and their symptoms improve, despite the treatment having no therapeutic effect. Number 18, humans have the ability to predict future events. This isn't about psychic powers, but rather our brain's ability to anticipate future situations based on past experiences. 17, we are hardwired to see faces. This is why we see faces in inanimate objects or abstract patterns, a phenomenon known as pareidolia. At 16, our brains can process an image that our eyes have seen for as little as 13 milliseconds. This demonstrates the incredible speed of human cognitive processing. Number 15, the mere exposure effect. This psychological phenomenon explains why we tend to prefer things we are familiar with. 14, our brains tend to remember unfinished or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. This is known as the Zeigarnik effect. At 13, people are more likely to remember the first and last things they read or hear in a list, a phenomenon known as the serial position effect. Number 12, our brains are wired to respond to music. Numerous studies have found that listening to music can reduce anxiety, blood pressure, and pain, as well as improve sleep quality, mood, mental alertness, and memory. 11th, the human brain is more active at night than during the day. This is why creative thoughts and big ideas often come during the night. Number 10, humans are the only species known to shed emotional tears. This unique ability is linked to our capacity for complex emotions. At 9, we have the power of conformity. Even when we know something is wrong, we may choose to follow the crowd due to social pressure. Number 8, the human brain can generate about 23 watts of power when awake, enough to power a light bulb. 7, the human brain is unable to ignore negative news. This is due to our brain's negativity bias, which makes us pay more attention to bad news. 6, humans are hardwired to fear. Fear is an essential part of our survival mechanism, alerting us to danger and preparing us for a fight or flight response. At 5, our brains have a tendency to create false memories. This is because our brains fill in gaps in our memories with what it thinks should be there. Number 4, the human brain is made up of about 75% water. This is why dehydration can affect cognitive functioning. Third, the human brain can grow new cells. This process, known as neurogenesis, can continue throughout a person's life. At 2, the human brain is the most energy-consuming organ, using up to 20% of the body's total energy. And finally, at number 1, humans possess the unique ability for self-reflection. We are the only species that can think about our own thoughts. In summary, the complexity of human psychology encompasses everything from our ability to maintain relationships, our response to music, our capacity for fear, to our brain's energy consumption, and our unique ability for self-reflection. It's a fascinating journey into the human mind, one that continues to intrigue and baffle us. So the next time you find human behavior puzzling, remember these 20 amazing facts about human psychology.